Namaskar. My name is Anupama and I am an intern from the lovely Professional University. I am honored to be the first ET intern actually. I stayed here since January and I'm leaving on the 19th of July. So practically I was here for 6 months, almost 7 months. And my internship was good. It was a roller coaster ride actually. There were many ups, there were many downs. And mostly what I noticed, the specialty about my internship was that I learned a lot. I discovered myself. I made lots of new friends, met a lot of very nice people, and had a marvelous experience traveling in India, visiting new places, doing things that I never thought that I would do, adventuring. It was very much of a very new experience for me, and I really appreciate all the help that I got from my LPU family, Isaac and LPU family, and I have to actually thank everybody of Isaac and LPU, especially because they made me feel like I was at home, especially during the last 4 months, and I was missing my family a lot, and they were my family for me. Especially, living in India was not anything different. What was not drastically different for me because I am from Sri Lanka, and the cultural differences were not that much. We had almost the same culture, almost the same kind of food, and almost the same kind of places, except for the winters. I had no problem about the weather. So it was like I didn't have any cultural shock as in that way, but it was okay. I had a very nice experience culturally. But also I would like to stress the fact that in Sri Lanka is such a small country that we don't have cultural differences in different regions. It doesn't really vary, but in India there's a lot of differences between regional cultures, and I noticed that that is one of the most beautiful things about India actually. I would first say that one thing that I got addicted to is Golgappe. You can't find Golgappe in Sri Lanka, so I'm quite addicted to that. And also the religion, the religions, the differences between religion, castes, and cultures and all that. It was weird because in Sri Lanka we don't have caste differences or much cultural differences, class differences as in here. So it was really interesting for me to see that. Plus the energy and the passion and the competition between every Isaker in India was marvelous to see. It was marvelous to notice, and it actually gave me a lot of inspiration. It was very eye-opening for me to discover how people actually compete with themselves, how people are dedicated towards their goals. I noticed that for the first time in Isaac India, and I also got a lot of very fortunate opportunities to attend a lot of Isaac conferences, and during those things I had a very good learning experience as well, and I met a lot of interns from different countries, and now I'm very happy to say, very honored to say that I have friends from almost everywhere in the world, or every corner in the world, so I can anytime contact them, maybe go on a world tour. So I'm very happy for that. Say that coming to India was for me a discovery of myself and discovery of who I am, what I wanted to do, and I am actually literally keeping my heart and soul here and going back next Monday. I'll probably be coming back very soon, and not probably, I will possibly be coming back very soon, and probably be in, I don't know, I will be here for a long time. So it was a new discovery. That is what I learned from this internship. So I ask everyone who is watching this video, if you are from India, I am thankful for you for all the experiences that you gave me as Indians, and if you are from any other country, especially from Sri Lanka, I'm telling you that Isaac and LPU rocks. Come to India, discover India. It's a beautiful country, with many variations of different things. So come to India, experience it, and enjoy.